This is Mama Miche, and today in my magic kitchen, chicken yakitori. With Father's Day approaching, I thought we'd share an easy and delicious recipe that's perfect all summer long. But you can make it for Dad on Father's Day. Use his grill, but let him chill. It is well established that I love meat on a stick, and the Japanese yakitori is no exception. Bite-sized pieces of meat grilled to perfection can't be bad. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Yakitori is probably one of the most popular dishes in Japan. It's so popular that there are many shops and restaurants that specialize in just yakitori. In Mama Miche's Magic Kitchen, we specialize in making your kitchen magic. This looks really good. Looks are not deceiving. You want to try it?
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
Mm.
You ready?
Uh-huh. That would make a perfect Father's Day meal.
You just decided the menu for next Father's Day.
Mm.
Let's eat.